Assalamu alaikum, my dear students. You are welcome to my English class. Hope you are fine. I am also hale and hearty by the grace of the Almighty Allah. Today we are going to learn a lesson from our English for Today book. So let's get started with our lesson. Look at the picture. What can you see in the picture? Where is it? Why was it built? I think you know the answer of these questions because this picture is the very picture of our national mausoleum or national memorial which is situated at Shavar and which was built as a token or symbol of our independence, of the great sacrifice of our freedom fighters during our war of independence. So it is very clear to you all that is our today's lesson is Independence Day, Unit 3, Lesson 5. So let's get started. What are our targets? That means after completing this lesson, what will you be able to do? You will be able to talk about events and festivals. You'll be able to ask and answer questions. You'll be able to say some vocabulary and you will also be able to fill in the gaps. So let's get started. Yes, at first we'll try to learn the meaning of some words, the English meaning. Yes, festival, that means celebration. Diplomat, that means a representative abroad. That means when a person is representing a country abroad, the person is called a diplomat. Next, individuals, that means distinctive. Then illuminate, that means enkindle. Entertain, that means to amuse. Fervor, that means enthusiasm. Next, fighters, that means battlers. Yes, and the final one, organization, that means institution. So now what's waiting for us? Yes, there are some questions, but to answer these questions we are to read the text. So let us read the question so that we can bear this in our memory to get the answer from our reading. What is the biggest festival of our country? How does the day begin? What does Bangla Academy arrange? Where is the National Parade Ground situated? Where is the National Mausoleum situated? So let's get started. 26 March, our Independence Day, is the one of the most important state festival. 26 মার্চ আমাদের স্বাধীনতা দিবস আমাদের গুরুত্বপূর্ণ রাষ্ট্রীয় উৎসবগুলোর মধ্যে অন্যতম। The day is celebrated every year in the country with great enthusiasm and fervor. এই দিনটি প্রতি বছর অনেক উৎসাহ এবং উদ্দীপনার মাধ্যমে উদযাপন করা হয়। Next, all offices, educational institutions, shops and factories remain closed on this day. সকল অফিস, শিক্ষা প্রতিষ্ঠান, দোকান এবং কারখানা এই দিন বন্ধ থাকে। The day begins with a 31 gun salute. এই দিনটি বা দিবসটির সূচনা হয় 31 বার তপধ্বনির মাধ্যমে। Early in the morning, the President and the Prime Minister on behalf of the nation place floral wreaths at the National Mausoleum at Shava. খুব সকালে রাষ্ট্রপতি এবং প্রধানমন্ত্রী সাভারের জাতীয় স্মৃতিসৌধে জাতির পক্ষ থেকে পুষ্পস্তবক অর্পণ করেন। You can see here the President and the Prime Minister are placing wreaths. Next, Then other leaders, political parties, diplomats, social and cultural organizations, educational institutions, and freedom fighters pay homage to the martyrs. এরপর অন্যান্য নেতৃবৃন্দ, রাজনৈতিক দলগুলো, কূটনীতিবিদরা, সামাজিক এবং সাংস্কৃতিক সংগঠনগুলো, শিক্ষা প্রতিষ্ঠানসমূহ এবং মুক্তিযোদ্ধারা শহীদদের প্রতি শ্রদ্ধা নিবেদন করেন। People from all walks of life also go there in rallies and processions. সমাজের সর্বস্তরের মানুষও শোভাযাত্রা ও মিছিল নিয়ে সেখানে যায়। There are many cultural programs throughout the day highlighting the heroic struggle and sacrifice in 1971. 1971 সালের বীরত্বপূর্ণ সংগ্রাম এবং আত্মত্যাগকে আলোকপাত করে সারাদিন অনেক সাংস্কৃতিক অনুষ্ঠান হয়ে থাকে। You can see the rallies and processions. You can see the students also visit there. Yes, this is the picture of Bangabandhu Stadium, and this is the picture of Girls Guides, and this is for what? Scouts. In Bangabandhu Stadium, school children, scouts, and Girls Guides take part in various displays to entertain thousands of spectators. বঙ্গবন্ধু জাতীয় স্টেডিয়ামে দর্শকদের আনন্দ দেওয়ার জন্য বিদ্যালয়ের শিশুরা, স্কাউটস এবং গার্লস গাইডেরা বিভিন্ন প্রদর্শনীতে অংশগ্রহণ করে হাজার হাজার দর্শককে আনন্দিত করার জন্য। Educational institutions also organize their individual programs. অর্থাৎ শিক্ষা প্রতিষ্ঠানগুলোও নিজস্ব অনুষ্ঠানের আয়োজন করে। The next, sports and boat race. So, sports meets and tournaments are also organized on the day. Including the exciting boat race in the river Buriganga. অর্থাৎ বুড়িগঙ্গা নদীতে রোমাঞ্চকর নৌকা বাইচ সহ এই দিনে খেলাধুলা এবং প্রতিযোগিতার আয়োজন করা হয়ে থাকে। বাংলা একাডেমি and Bangladesh Shilpakala Academy. In the evening, all major public buildings are illuminated with colorful lights. সন্ধ্যাবেলায় প্রধান প্রধান সরকারি ভবনগুলো রঙিন আলো দ্বারা আলোকিত বা সজ্জিত করা হয়। বাংলা একাডেমি, বাংলাদেশ শিল্পকলা একাডেমি and other socio-cultural organizations hold cultural functions. বাংলা একাডেমি, বাংলাদেশ শিল্পকলা একাডেমি এবং অন্যান্য সামাজিক সাংস্কৃতিক সংগঠনগুলো সাংস্কৃতিক অনুষ্ঠানের আয়োজন করে। Similar functions are also arranged in other places in the country. একই রকমের অনুষ্ঠান দেশের অন্যান্য স্থানেও আয়োজন করা হয়। So, what are the related vocabularies from this passage? We can get independence, state, festival, celebrate, enthusiasm, fervor, gun salute, flora, wreath. Then we can also get more diplomat, homage, martyr, heroic, struggle, display, spectator, individual, exciting, illuminate. So these are the new words that we have found in this passage. So to have sound knowledge regarding MCQ and other items, the students, you are to go through these vocabularies. You will try to know the English meaning, their synonym as well as antonym. For your exam, antonym is not so much important, but synonym is very much important. So your most importance should be given on English meaning and synonym to get good marks in MCQ and to do better in other items like question answer and fill in the gaps. So let us have a matching of meanings. Fervor, the meaning of fervor. What will be the meaning of fervor? The meaning of fervor will be a strong feeling of excitement. A strong feeling of excitement. Alike, what will be the meaning of alike? Yes, the meaning of alike will be in a similar way. Spectator, that means a person who is watching an event. Displays, that means acts of performing skills, and illuminate to decorate a building with bright lights. And finally, there is also a fill in the gaps. So, Glorious Dash Day is the biggest state festival. The day is observed dash the country. The celebration of Independence Day dash with gun salute. People dash at Shabha to place floral wreaths, and dash culture programs are held through the country, highlighting the significance of the day. So, you are getting the answer below. Yes, the first one is Glorious Independence Day across the country. Then begins, then people gather or people assemble. Then number E, various cultural programs. Then next, we can also assess MCQ. Our biggest state festival is Pohela Boishak. Then the National Parade Ground is near National Parliament. Exciting boat race takes place in the river Buriganga. The day starts with dash gun salute 31 gun salute. Yes, thanks for watching this class. Hope if you continue watching this and if you learn well, you will be able to do well in your exam. So thank you for your patient watching this video. Inshallah, we shall appear with another video lesson in our next class. Until then, Allah Hafiz.